Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Naomi Victoria and it has taken me the longest time. I am so late to the train on these Amazon videos, but better late than never because I love Amazon so much. I shop on there literally all the time, if not daily, I would definitely say weekly, and I have so much that I could recommend to you guys to buy. However, I have narrowed it down to around 10 items today that have pretty much changed my life for the better, and I feel like you guys are going to want to know about them and hopefully they change yours too. If not, then I hope you just enjoy this video anyway. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll leave my Instagram in the down bar as well. Go ahead and follow me on there as well. I'll also link as much of this Amazon stuff as I can in the down bar as well for you guys. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I have to show you is something that I think would help in the summertime. Obviously it's coming up to summer, gonna get really hot, and I feel like my mum's gonna kill me for saying this on camera, but my mum gets hot sweats. She gets really hot really quickly. So I originally bought her one of these to help with that, and I was so impressed that I had to get one for myself. So it's a mini handheld fan. It comes with 3 speed settings and it charges on the side with like a little micro USB charger. I grew up in the 90s/2000s where we had those really rubbish, I don't know if any of you guys remember, they're like battery operated ones that were made of foam and they literally hardly did anything. This is the coolest thing ever. So I'll turn it on. Can you see how well that's like blowing my hair? It's amazing and it hardly makes any noise. And also, I don't know about you guys, but in this white color, if you put this in the Apple store, stuck a little Apple logo, 30, 40 pounds, what do you think? Although probably in the Apple store it would be like 100 pounds, but this was only $8.99 and I got it on Prime delivery, so it was free as well. $8.99 is literally about $10 to $11. It's so good. If I didn't know this kind of thing existed and I saw someone out shopping with one of these just fanning themselves and I was boiling hot, I would literally be so jealous. I think this is so cool. So mini fan is my number 1. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to guess what this is. So this is basically a massager for your head and neck. I get neck tension, especially up this side, and oh gosh, it feels so rock hard in there pretty much 99% of the time. So this opens and closes like this, so you can put it behind your neck. I'm gonna do a cutaway so you can see better, but it uses these little squidgy ball bits that look like golf balls to really give a deep tissue massage on your neck. You can use this on your shoulders, on your upper back, on your head, literally like the weirdest looking thing I think I've ever bought from Amazon. Look at it, but it works really well. I know my dad keeps stealing this from me, so it's got to work well. Also, it is adjustable as well, so if you have like a bigger neck or a mini neck, you can adjust it. I'm trying to keep the next thing out of shot just for 1 second. I am basically a Pinterest addict. I look at homeware and beauty and fashion all the time on Pinterest, and these guys are always in literally pretty much any homeware picture that I look at. This is dried pampas grass, and I believe that you can get these pretty much everywhere, garden centers, etc. However, I got these the other day from Amazon. So they sit in my little vase and they're on the side, and I just love how these look. They've not fully kind of opened out yet. I haven't puffed them yet. I only actually received these today through the post, and they're so soft. It's literally like stroking an animal. Like, it's weird, it's like a dog or a cat. They're so soft, but I just love how they look. Yeah, little pampas grass. I'm so happy, and I can't believe it's taken me all this time to actually know what this is called. Pampas grass. I've not fully explored the wondrous world of Amazon fashion yet. If there's anything you guys can recommend that I need to check out, please do let me know. However, I have a pair of slippers just here that I picked up on Amazon about 2 months ago. This particular style is sold out. I literally think I got about one of the last 3. But they do this exact style in different colors, so I'll link those down below. They are from different sellers, so I'm not sure how good quality they'll be. Some of the slippers on Amazon are so good. Fashion Influx also has a really fluffy pair that I loved from there, so I'll put a picture on screen if I can find it and link hers down below as well. But mine are a dupe of the very popular UGG ones that literally cost about £100. I think these are about £12, and they have that strap at the back and the lines, and they're really fluffy, and they're platform as well. They remind me of the 90s. There's just something so cute and just something I love about these, and they're really comfortable, and I just love how they look. They look really cool. So if you guys have any other Amazon fashion suggestions, please do let me know. I think it was originally Natalia Taylor that I saw using one of these, and this is basically a little phone, what do you call it? Clicker. So basically, if you're taking a selfie, you've got your phone up on a tripod like this, and you don't have anyone to take your picture and you can't reach the button to click it, you just connect this. I think this connects either by infrared or Bluetooth, and you just click and it takes the photo. So you can pretty much hide this behind your back if you're taking a picture, or just click it from down on the floor, put your toe on it and use your toe to click it. This just literally elevates your selfies and means that you don't actually need to rope in an Insta boyfriend or rope in one of your friends to help you. You can just take selfies by yourself. So this was pretty inexpensive. I think this cost me about $5.99. You can also get the ones that also have the tripod that come with them. They are a little bit more expensive, but this definitely will up your selfie game. So highly recommend this. On the topic of selfies, another thing that I like to really up my selfie game are lights. And you've probably seen this type before. So this is like a little clip, but this type goes on your phone, oops, that way round, and it has 3 or 2 different light settings, and it really works to just brighten your face, really up your selfies. And then this is one for your camera. So I use a Canon G7X, which I'm currently filming on now, and this uses a little cold shoe, which is what this is called. Your camera sits here, screws in at the bottom, and then you've got this here, which is a battery operated light, and I'm gonna turn it on, but it is really bright. Oh, it has no battery. Okay, I'll show it in a cutaway. Basically, this has a dimmer on the back, so you can have it really bright or really dark, and this is great if you're vlogging, so you can hold your camera and you have a little light that's attached already on the side, so you don't need any other lights, any soft boxes, nothing. Just literally this will brighten up your face. It's so good. And also they have little cold shoes here, or hot shoes, whatever these are called, to attach more of these cubes. You can literally have an army of cubes to make it as bright as you want, and this was really inexpensive as well. It does really help, so I would highly recommend these 2 if you want to up your photography game. Okay, the next thing I have to show you guys is coffee related, which I am literally a coffee addict, so this makes me very happy. But I'm gonna have to show you guys in a cutaway me actually filling this and using it and stuff. And this, can you guess what it is by looking at it? Basically, you might have seen this in some of my morning routines. It's a Nespresso pod holder. I bought this for my sister as a birthday present, and it's literally so handy. It fits so many pods in here, and our coffee machine, we've got an espresso machine, it sits on top in the kitchen, and this looks so chic, keeps everything really organized. I just absolutely love it. The glass top is so stylish. I mean, it is a bit more pricey than the stand ones, but I definitely think it's worth it. It literally looks so beautiful in our kitchen. So there we go, pod holder. Okay, so next I have 2 items to show you that came in a little set. I originally just bought the set for this. This is called a gua sha board. but it came with a jade roller anyway. So let me just grab my phone. I'm going to tell you the benefits of these. The benefits of a jade roller are the gentle pressure helps to stimulate circulation and leave the facial muscles more relaxed. It can encourage lymphatic drainage to boost the skin's natural detoxification process. The natural cooling sensation helps to calm the skin, depuff and soothe inflammation, and facial massage is known to be a stress reliever. The daily ritual can relieve tension and act as a small act of self-care in the day. So basically, I store both of these in the fridge because it keeps them really nice and cool, and I use this little one under my eyes and then this bigger one to apply my moisturizer in the morning and evening, and I just feel like it's so refreshing on my skin. And then this guy is a scraper, so it can help with like lymphatic drainage. You can use it down here, and it's shaped to get in to different areas. So this is such a good buy because you get two things pretty much for the price of one. They're natural. In fact, the next thing I want to buy from Amazon is a mini fridge to keep all of my beauty products in, and these guys as well, because I don't know if there's any like scientific research into the effects of like keeping your beauty products in the fridge. It's just really refreshing when I keep mine, especially my moisturizer, in the morning, and then I use this. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It feels so nice on my skin. So that's my next Amazon purchase. The next thing I have to show you guys is a pillowcase, and this is no ordinary pillowcase. This is a satin pillowcase, and I've got my phone back again to tell you the benefits of these. I swear by these now because not only do they make your bed look really luxurious, they feel lovely, but, and this is where I go onto Google, so they help eliminate facial folds. So satin is soft to the touch and allows your face to glide against the pillowcase. So if you have cotton pillowcases, they can like pull on your skin. So this is a little bit better for anti-aging. They protect the lashes, so they help keep fragile eyelashes intact, and ooh, clears the complexion. And satin pillowcases, I didn't actually know this, satin pillowcases help to keep your skin supple and allow your pores to breathe, whereas cotton pillowcases, on the other hand, draw moisture out of the skin as you sleep. That's interesting, I didn't know that. So satin pillowcases are definitely worth checking out. If you want a pure silk set, you're going to literally pay about 20 times more. Fine if you have the budget for that. I personally don't, so I'm gonna stick with my satin. And I think I'm gonna get a satin eye mask from Amazon as well next. And if anything, all of these benefits, they just make your bed look really nice and fancy as well, and they just feel really nice to slide onto. So there you go, winner winner all round. This next thing most of you probably already own, and it's very boring and very adulty, but if you don't own one of these, what are you doing with your life? This is a salad spinner, and this has changed the game. I always used to drain my salad in a colander and then put my salad in a bowl and have a lovely wet puddle at the bottom of my bowl every single time, and it was so annoying. So this is a big old, look at how big this is as well. It's literally massive. This is one by OXO, and it's really thick, really good quality. Not the cheapest, but this is gonna last you years and years and years. And all you do is put your salad in here, fill it up with water, take this out, drain the water, put it back in, and then push this down, and it spins the inside and basically drains your salad. A salad spinner. I do think some of you guys will already own one of these, but I would highly recommend this OXO brand. It's such good quality. It's actually massive. You can literally fit so much salad in here, and it dries your salad perfectly. Next thing I have to show you is this collapsible Tupperware. Look at how thin that gets. Basically, I was using this so much before coronavirus when I'd be out on day trips. If I was going to London all day, I'd take a little sandwich, some snacks, and let me unclip this and show you. So in the lid, you have a spoon and a fork, which kind of come off, and they're like here. And then you have this little section here as well, which I guess you could put sauces in, you could put hummus, which is what I did, or butter, or anything. And then this section folds out quite big as well. So these come down, they're made of silicone, and they look like that. I love the color as well. I'm kind of matching with it. But then obviously when you're done, fold it back up, and it doesn't take up half as much room in your bag as just a big old Tupperware would usually do. You can get them smaller than this as well, but I chose the big one. I like how this one comes with its own little spoon and fork and this little section here as well. And last but not least is something that I feel like a majority of you guys are already going to own, and if not, you've definitely heard of this already because they plug it like crazy. It's an Amazon Fire TV stick, which looks like this, and it has this little thing which I think is the HDMI cable, and this basically just plugs into the back of your TV, and then you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime. As long as you have a subscription to those, you can watch them on this. You can download apps on here, play games, browse the internet. I've taken this to hotels with me so I can watch Netflix at the hotel, and it's so good. I think I got this half price for about $29.99. I'd recommend buying one of these when they are in the sale, although they are worth it. I've literally used this pretty much every single day. I don't watch terrestrial TV anymore. I just use my Fire Stick to watch Amazon Prime and stuff like that, and I would highly recommend you check it out. Okay, so that's everything for my Amazon video. I literally have so many Amazon video ideas, so if you guys want to see any more Amazon videos, let me know. I think I really want to test out some weird Amazon beauty products or like lifestyle products. If you guys want to see that, please give this video a like so I'll know, and I hope to see you all next time. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe down below as well.